we're gonna open this, and at the top there's a mini Rubik's Cube. I think you open it from here. Not quite sure. I still cannot open it. I just realised it's like this top bit here where there's a line. It is opening a bit. So yeah. We have got all the wrapper off, so now let's open the top bit. So we're just going to twist it. The surprise is in here. I kind of want to get this out. Okay, so I got it out. It's so cute. And it moves. Wow. That's really cool. Now we've got these surprises. Let's open this one first. We've got a mini football. Now let's open this one. It's very flat. You've got a mini monkey noodle. And it's purple. This is a normal size one, and this is a mini one. Wow. So far, we've got a purple monkey noodle, football spinner fidget, and a mini Rubik's Cube. We've got 2 more surprises left to open. I'm going to open this one. I think it's something like a pop tube. It is! Look how cute it is. Does it work? It actually works. That's so cute. This is a normal size and a mini one. It works perfectly. So does this one. This is the last one. I'm so excited. Ooh. Can't open it. I think this one's like a squishy bear because it's very squishy. I got it open, but I had to use scissors. Let's see what it is. It's something blue. I think it is a bear. Yeah, it's a little blue bear. So this is a collector's checklist, so I'm going to tick some things off. We firstly got this Rubik's Cube, so it's right here. So let's take it off. We finished. We then got this football fidget spinner. And it's right there, so let's take it off. We are finished. Next is this squishy blue bear. He's so squishy. That's ticked. Next is mini monkey noodle. Ticked. And last but not least, our mini green pop tube. That's ticked as well. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.